This is my first review on Indiana Jones 2, and it is the Bundral Blaze level. I think that's how you say it. So, this level can be really annoying after you get through here, because you're always just randomly running back and forth and getting these water bottles. But you want to aim for the biggest ones. Those take out the most fire when you throw a water bottle at them. And you need to do this so you can get Henry Jones over here. And so you actually just need to do 3 big ones. And it would be cool if Henry Jones had a whip, then this level would be a lot easier. And so if you turn this key, you can actually make the knight move. It's just kind of cool, but you don't really need to do it. And there is some sort of hidden trick things in this level, because right now I am rebuilding, actually in Indiana Jones' name, Indy. So when I finish building this, you can you'll be able to tell, see, there it is, and the studs appeared when you build it. And so you actually need to come over here and destroy the knight. Then you need to build that grab bar, change it into your partner, make them hold on to that, destroy this, get one of the weapons from it, then you actually cut the, and if you try to put out the actual fire in this, if it's not like the Lego fire stuff, then you shouldn't even try. So here's some golden utensils. And what I thought was pretty cool about this was there's a golden wrench. And so we need to use the water bottles again. And then you can get this. And you build the ladder. Come up here. And you push the knight off. And normally my partner doesn't follow me up here when I'm doing this level, so that's just kind of uncommon for them to do that. And then after you get the knight built, you stand on the buttons and you go into here. And that is the level. So